Hello friends, today we are going to learn alphabets and their sounds. Match the picture with their beginning sounds. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, frog. I, ice cream. H, helicopter. G, grapes. J, juice. L, lion. K, kite. N, nest. M, monkey. O, orange. R, rabbit. Q, queen. P, pencil. S, sun. U, umbrella. T, truck. W, watermelon. V, van. X, xylophone. Z, zebra. Y, yak. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.